Today we are talking about some facts. 25 interesting facts on India that you had no idea about. One. A floating post office. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 155,015 post offices. A single post office on an average serves a population of 7,175 people. The floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar, was inaugurated in August 2011. 2. Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. The 2011 Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. 3. The wettest inhabited place in the world. Mawsynram, a village on the Khasi Hills, Meghalaya, receives the highest recorded average rainfall in the world. Cherrapunji, also a part of Meghalaya, holds the record for the most rainfall in the calendar year of 1861. 4. Bandra Worli Sealink has steel wires equal to the Earth's circumference. It took a total of 2,57 lakh man-hours for completion and also weighs as much as 50,000 African elephants. 5. The highest cricket ground in the world. At an altitude of 2,444 meters, the Chel cricket ground in Chel, Himachal Pradesh, is the highest in the world. It was built in 1893 and is a part of the Chel Military School.